A is available at point of use. Here's another phrase I really want you to remember. Put the answer where the question is asked. If someone needs to know how to set up a machine before a production run, the SOP needs to be at the machine, not in a binder on a shelf, and not buried somewhere in a shared drive. One of the biggest mistakes companies make is assuming that because a standard exists, that it will be used. I'm here to tell you it won't. People need to know the standard exists, understand why it matters, and be able to access it within seconds when they need it. If operators have to stop what they're doing and go searching for an SOP, you've already created friction. And friction is the enemy of standardization, and the value of your standards implementation will be limited. You can deploy SOPs in different ways. This might mean a laminated copy at the workstation. It might mean a QR code on the machine linking to the latest version. Or it could be a link embedded directly into the ERP or works order system, so the instruction arrives with the job. The format matters less than the accessibility. The best SOP in the world creates no value if people can't find it when they need it. Make access effortless.